Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Parth Kumar Ranpriya. I am studying engineering research project and planning under the supervision of Dr. Narottam Das. Uh, my student ID is 120975547, and the topic of my study is analysis the impact of incident light angle on the conversion efficiency of nanostructure, gallium arsenide, solar cell. Let's look at the project outline. The research question, after the introduction, following aim and objectives, after that literature review, then research methodology, and at the end, conclusion. Let's look at the research question first. Find out which incident angle on a gallium arsenide solar cell for the different nanograting structure conduct the maximum efficiency. How the impact of the incident angle can maximize the efficiency of nanograting structure. So gallium arsenide solar cell influence the different parameter which affects for the effects on the solar cell by using a different incident angle of sunlight, comparison those data to each other and get a maximum efficiency from the nanograting structure. Let's look at the introduction and background. Energy demand is constantly rising every day because of the population growing. There is urgent need to solve the vital issue called energy generation, which is effective way and a cost effective way and efficient way, which is a solar. The solar energy is promising because the energy energy problems. It solves energy problem due to emergent source of sunlight, which is everywhere in the world. The only problem the solar energy facing in the low efficiency of the solar cell compared to the research and investment we have done in this area. But the nanograting structure is promising candidate for attaining the high conversion efficiency in a PV solar cell, mainly because the low reflection and high light trapping property. Let's look at the next slide. Project aims and objective. My research aim is to improve the conversion efficiency of gallium arsenide solar cell using different nanograting structure as a AR coating on the solar cell by using different parameters and angles of sunlight such as 0 to 180 degree like sunset, sunrise to sunset. Research objective is examine which nanograting structure is by far most efficient in a solar cell as a different incident angle of light. We explore the various nanograting structure with parameter and the effect of gallium arsenide solar cells in the conversion efficiency. To get the data from the different nanograting structure, we are using OFT-FDTD, finite difference time domain simulation tool. Investigate the reflection, loss, absorption, transmission on nanograting structure. This OFT-FDTD software will be used. We will compare the data conducted by the OFT-FDTD software from the different nanograting structure and those parameters and the different incident angles. Let's look at the literature review. The right side you can see the PV cell, PV module, and PV array. The photovoltaic module usually has a solar cell which is produce electricity by the photovoltaic effect using PN junction diode. There are many types of solar panel, but mainly three we are using monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film. At the left side is the gallium arsenide, a single solar cell structure. The main material used in every solar cell is silicon. The output of individual solar cell was significantly reason due to the research. But the gallium arsenide single solar cell's efficiency is estimated 27%, said by Ahimar et al. In 2017. In comparison with the silicon solar cell, gallium arsenide has a high electron saturation, speed, as well as the greater electron mobility. It has a durable surface compared to the other PV cells, so it gives us a gallium arsenide advantage to absorb more light. Apart from that, it passes the significant number of electrons into the conduction channel, thus providing essential light incident conversion efficiency as well. Gallium arsenide is become more popular because of the band gap that enables the quick and convenient movement of electron. Let's look at the different types of nanograting structure. Mainly we are using in this research is rectangular, trapezoidal, and triangular, which is shown in this left side. nanograting structure. The refractive index of two medium, the angle of incidence depends therefore the capacity of the reflecting light. We are using angle 0 to 180 degree on every nanograting structure using different parameters to see how conversion efficiency improves. The light reflection calculated by Fresnel's equation, which is given right side here. The air surface refractive index changes gradually in this measure transition. In refractive index, reduce the reflection of light. If the reflection light of reduces, the solar cells absorb some more light and it gives a more efficiency. The function of this nanograting structure works as a air coating on a solar cell, so because it has a great light catching characteristic, it acts as a moth eyes theory, which is surface is protected by the nanostructure thin film and eliminates the reflection and gives a more absorption to the solar cell. Let's look at the research methodology. There are 3 steps. First step is design of as you can see left side, design of nanostructure and simulation using OptiFTD software comparison the nanostructure using different parameters like height, duty cycle, light angle, etc., and analyzing those outputs by multiple nanograting structure. What is OptiFTD? OptiFTD is a simulation software allows the model, evaluation, and test conventional photonic and passive nonlinear component. OptiFTD includes unique, convenient to use graphical user interface to plan and analyze the complex system. OptiFTD is able to monitor the characteristic and incident of the incident type of absorption, reflection, and transmission, which we are using in this project. Such a nanograting structure plays significant part in light trapping characteristics, the inside of system, and the influence in solar cells effectiveness. The construction of nanograting structures is necessary to decrease the light and reflection loss and increase the efficiency by absorbing more light. It works as works on the Maxwell equation, which helps to solve the element of electromagnetic field. Here you can see in the picture is a triangular nanograting structure. The green line is reflection line, red line is light source, which is at the moment right now it's 90 degree. After that the transmission line, but the light source we are changing from 0 to 180 degree. In this here at left side you can see the triangular, rectangular, and trapezoidal nanograting structure in a FTTD simulation software, and the right side you can see the different types of incident angle which we are using. Here is the screenshot of 2D design of triangular nanograting structure. These are the expected results. The light reflection of triangular nanograting structure, duty cycle is 1, thickness is 0.5, and the incident angle is 90 degree. Then the transmission for the triangular nanograting structure, same duty cycle 1, thickness is 0.5, incident angle is 90 degree. And the light absorption for that one as well. Duty cycle 1, thickness 0.5, incident angle 90. This is the light reflection for the trapezoidal of the duty cycle 1, thickness 0.5, and incident angle is 90 degree. Let's look at the conclusion. Fluctuation occurs in light reflection transmission incident angle changes from 0 to 80 degree, which is possible. For the triangular shape, maximum absorption is 42%, which is shown. This expected result was determined at 90 degree, while the maximum transmission reflectance for the columns were determined. Performance of the gallium arsenide solar cell increasing using the nanograting structure and with the different incident angle of light as well. The simulation test shows the decreased reflection loss will improve the gallium arsenide solar cells conversion efficiency at the 90 degree. Maximum light absorption will calculate maximum transmission, minimum reflection. This is a Gantt chart for planning. This is a Gantt chart for implementation. These are the references which I have used in making this presentation. And thank you for your patience. Thank you.